Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Not a little bit, but a lot different. Because today I'm going to tell you my story and how I became an executive chef. Now this didn't take me like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. No. This took me about 9 to 10 years. This is not something you can do overnight. So when I was little, probably around when I was like 12, 13 years old, my mom and dad were both working and I had to help take care of my younger siblings. I have 3 younger siblings and I am the oldest. So what ended up happening, I had to cook for my family when mom and dad wasn't there. So mom, when I was that, really young there, she'd have stuff ready to go for me and I'd just whip it together. And then once I got older and I progressed more, I just started making all the meals. And then I enjoyed that more and more, so I took it upon myself to take BOCES in high school. If you don't know what BOCES is, it's just a trade school. And it's just something they do in northern, up here in New York State. So if you guys don't know what it is, it's just a trade school. Something you can do while you're in high school. So I did it, and I did it for my 11th and 12th grade. And so it was a 2-year program. I did it, completed high school, got my diploma, got the certificates for it. And then I decided I wanted to go to college for it. So I ended up going to Lincoln Culinary Institute out in Connecticut. So that was a 1-year program. I did that, went out there and worked at another restaurant while I was in college. And the chef there took me underneath his wing and he showed me a lot of cool stuff. And just working there was awesome with this guy. And I wish I could just see this guy again to thank him so much, but I can't, unfortunately. But anyways, so after that, I decided I wanted to go to DC. And the reason why I went to DC is because I had an uncle down there who was nice enough to let me stay there for a month, rent-free, to find a job and then get out. So I found a job with this company, and I worked for this company for 3 years. So within my first, I think it was like 8 months, I was able to get a promotion. At first I was their lead line cook when I got hired. And when I was their lead line cook, they saw how I performed, they saw I was a hard worker, and then they're like, alright, we're going to take a risk on this guy and see if he can be an executive chef. So what they did was, they gave me one of their smallest restaurants, was about an 80-seater. So they let me run this restaurant, and I was very good at it. I liked doing it. I was very good. We made awesome food. We did it all. And it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. So, and the GM there took me underneath his wing and he showed me how to do all the computer stuff. He showed me how to do my inventory. He showed me how to do everything I needed to know to complete my job. And from there, they saw that I progressed. I was learning. They saw that I was just going through the roof with everything. I was hitting my numbers every month. It was going great. So they gave me another promotion, and that was only 9 months at that one small restaurant. So when they gave me this other promotion, this time it was 2 restaurants in 1 kitchen. So how the way that worked was, you had 2 restaurants side by side, and in the middle, on the 2nd floor in the back, was the kitchen. It was combined on both sides. It was kind of in the middle of the whole thing. And so that was a lot of fun, because it was very challenging too, because it's 2 restaurants, 2 different concepts. The first one was an Irish bar. The other one was Americana bar. So completely opposites. So then after that, I worked there for about almost a year. And then I saw the doors closing at the place and I left. So I decided to come back home up to upstate New York here. This is my home. And I decided to stay here with family because I'm starting my own family. So we're around the rest of our family. And then now I have a job up here I'm working at. It's a local restaurant again, and I'm just doing my thing, what I like to do. And I can spend time with the kids, do YouTube, and do everything I want to do. There's my story, guys. You have it. I thought I'd share it with you guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please comment below. If you guys liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, let me know. So if you want to see more stories of crazy things I've seen or whatnot, please let me know. And also, please hit that red subscribe button. It helped me out so much. And you guys have an awesome day.